Hey Excel friends, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 super simple ways to combine first and last names in Excel. Whether you're making a contact list, cleaning up imported data, or prepping a mail merge, learning how to combine cells is a skill you'll use all the time. And I promise, it's way easier than you might think. Let's jump right in and take it one step at a time. First up, Flash Fill. This is one of my favorite Excel tricks because it feels like magic. Here's what to do. In a new column next to your first and last names, type the full name the way you want it to look, combining the first name and last name with a space in between. Now press Ctrl and Enter together. This confirms your input while keeping the cell selected. Next, press Ctrl and E for Flash Fill. And just like that, Excel fills down the column, combining all your names in the same format. How cool is that? Flash Fill is great for quick tasks and follows patterns it sees in your data. Just double-check the results to make sure Excel guessed correctly. All right, let's say you want to do this with a formula instead. No problem. This next method uses the ampersand symbol, which is just the and sign. It's a way of telling Excel to join pieces of text together. In a new column, type equals A2, ampersand, open quote space, close quote, ampersand, B2. This joins the first name in cell A2, adds a space, and then adds the last name from cell B2. Hit enter, and ta-da! There's your full name. Now drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the list. See? Not scary at all. If you want a slightly more modern function, Excel has one called concat, short for concatenate, which just means join together. In a cell, type equals concat, open bracket, A2, comma, space in quotes, comma, B2, close bracket. This does the same thing, joins the first and last name with a space in the middle. Press enter and copy it down. I personally love concats when I want my formulas to look a bit cleaner and easier to read. Okay, last method, and this one's a powerhouse. Text join is perfect when you want more control over how your data is combined, especially if you're working with more than 2 cells. Here's how it works. Type equals text join, open bracket, space in quotes, comma, true, comma, A2, comma, B2, close bracket. Here's what each part means. Is the delimiter, in this case, a space between names true, tells Excel to ignore empty cells. And then we list the cells we want to join. A 2 and B2 hit enter. And just like before, copy the formula down to apply it to the full list. I personally love text join when I'm combining names, departments, and titles, or anything where some cells might be blank. Go ahead and pause the video, open up Excel, and give each method a try. Let me know in the comments which one is your favourite, or if Flash Fill blew your mind like it did mine the first time. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy-to-follow Excel tutorials, and share it with someone who's learning too. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I'll see you in the next one.